This is the Resveralife tea infuser, and this operates pretty simple here. You've got a little bottle with a cap on one end, and then the bottom unscrews for the filter. So what you're going to do here is take your bottle the bottom off, and now this has got a little silicone grommet. Make sure that that's seated properly. And then you've got this like stainless steel fine mesh filter. So I'm going to take some dry loose leaf tea. This is jasmine, which I think makes probably the best iced tea. Probably should have got a bigger spoon. This is going to take me like a day. And I fill it up only about halfway. I find that if you fill it up more, it doesn't really give you much more potency, and the leaves are going to probably double, so I filled it up to about half. And clean that off. So then you just drop that in, and then I've got some water here. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it through. It doesn't matter. You can pour it through the other way. You can boil it if you like. I don't think it really matters. Go ahead and close that off so it's got a good seal. And then leave this in the fridge for like a day or so, and it's gonna make really potent tea. I mean, you probably only need to put about this much in a large cup and dilute it like maybe like 1 to 4 with water. So 3 parts water, 1 part the infuse, and you'll have a really strong iced tea. So this will last you maybe like 10 servings or so, depending on how much you drink at once. Average cup, probably at least 10. Just because it's so super concentrated, it's like too bitter to drink straight out of this. But it doesn't take up much room in your fridge, and very simple.